Dating is rough, despite your character type, however it's specifically taxing for introverts, who just have a lot social energy to spend. Listed below, experts on introversion share their best recommendations for putting yourself out there. Small talk is the bane of a lot of introverts' presence. Why not simply cut to the chase and get to genuine, meaningful conversation? Though small talk can feel a bit hollow and superficial, it's not expected to be extensive, it's simply a way of getting in touch with another person, said Sophia Dembling, author of Introverts in Love, the peaceful method to happily ever after. The conversation may or might not go deeper, however try. Advertisement. Any decent human being, interested or not, will take courteous flirtation as the compliment it is. 2. Celebration in moderation. Introverts tend to clam up at huge parties, seeking out the closest snack table, dog or cat. Not going to events or decamping to the corner once you get there will restrict your chances to satisfy brand new people. Introverts do much better in smaller sized groups, so instead of remaining all evening at the office party, opt for a short quantity of time and after that welcome 2 or 3 individuals you like to join you for dessert somewhere else after the celebration, Savage said. You'll still be socializing, but in an environment you're comfortable in. 3. The next time you go out to your preferred coffee bar, don't be so quick to put in your earphones. Instead, be open to the flurry of conversation around you, said Jennifer B. Conweiler, the author of The Genius of Opposites: How Introverts and Extroverts Achieve Extraordinary Outcomes Together. Opportunities to leave our phones and genuinely engage are all around, we put in the time to look, she told HuffPost. Meet new people online. Introverts tend to interact much better in writing than in conversation. With that in mind, sign up with an online message board for your favorite sports team, or become a fixture in the comment area of a news site, said Lori Helgo, a psychologist and the author of Introvert Power: Why Your Inner Life is Your Covert Strength. Thankfully, for introverts, the internet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.